Here are some exercises to practice declaring functions. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. Let's write a function to calculate rectangle area first. Function calculate area with two arguments, length and width. And let's return length multiplied by width. And now let's test some cases. So console log calculate area 5 and 10. The result is 50. And console log calculate area of 7 and 3. The result is 21. Okay, next, let's check if a number is even using function expression. Is even is function with an argument number, and let's return number modulo 2 equals 0. And let's test this. So console log is even 4, and this is true, and is even 7, this is false. Finally, let's write an arrow function that finds the max of two numbers. So cons max is an arrow function that takes two arguments, a and b, and then returns a is greater than b, then it returns a, else it returns b. And console log max from 10 and 20 is 20, and max from 30 and 15 is 30.